Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by verifying essentials. Make sure your carrier plan shows active data, because no settings fix a suspended account. Once confirmed, toggle airplane mode on for about 5–10 seconds, then turn it off to force a fresh link to towers. Next, go straight to Settings and open Cellular. Ensure cellular data is enabled and check the APN entries. If APN looks wrong, type the carrier values exactly. These quick actions often restore service immediately. Once done with basic toggles, move to deeper fixes. Reset network settings to clear any corrupted profiles. Note this removes saved Wi-Fi passwords, so have them handy. Then check for carrier settings and operating system updates. Carriers push fixes that restore data stability. If issues persist, power off the phone, remove the SIM, inspect it for dirt or damage, and reinsert firmly. If you have a spare SIM, test it. That helps determine whether the phone or the If network access still fails, contact your carrier and request a provisioning refresh or an outage check for your cell ID. Explain the steps you already tried so they can escalate without repeating basics. Ask them to push carrier settings or to reprovision your line. If directed, get a replacement SIM mailed or swap in a known good SIM at a store. As a final tip, enable Wi-Fi calling or use a Wi-Fi hotspot temporarily. This keeps you connected while the carrier resolves the cellular issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.